Hey guys, I got this Alien Gear holster system for Christmas and I wanted to do an unboxing for you. This starter kit is not just one holster, but a 4 holster system. It can transform into a classic IWB, appendix, OWB paddle, or OWB slide holster. And I was also able to get a free bonus holster mount with my purchase as well. So as you open the box, the top inside looks like this, and you can read that if you want, but let's dive into the box and show you everything that comes in it. So the first thing that we are going to grab out of the box is this package with the instructions. So let's open this up and see what's in here. So it looks like you get an Alien Gear sticker, which is cool, and this next piece of paper is their ironclad guarantee, which says you have 30 days to test it out, and if you're not satisfied, you can return it for a full refund. And just below that, it says that if anything ever breaks, you can return it and they'll fix it or replace it for free. And this next card says if you don't have time to read, you can watch their how-to video about the holster system. And then if you do want to read, it has the instruction manual on how to put everything together and how this holster system works. And then it also comes with a quick start guide and parts chart so you know what everything is. Alright, so let's take a look at this holster backer. This is the one that you'll use to carry classic IWB, which is behind your back. This front material is a thermoelastomer material, which is really durable and flexible and helps grip your gun when it's holstered. This holster also has just a single mounting point, which is that plastic piece next to the SHAPESHIFT logo, which allows for more flexibility. The clips on this holster are super sturdy and are made up of a polymer material. And to take off the clips, it's really simple and you don't need any tools. The back of the holster is fully covered with their new cool vented neoprene fabric, which allows the holster to be more breathable, and it doesn't have any hardware on the back, which will make it very comfortable to wear. And here's the appendix holster backer, which is a lot smaller than the classic IWB one and still has the same single mounting point and is built with the same materials as the classic IWB one, but you will use a bigger single appendix clip when you go to wear it instead of the 2 smaller clips with the classic IWB holster. And this one also has the cool vented neoprene on the back side as well. So digging into the box further, this is where you're going to find a lot of different mounting options, and this first piece here is the rotating shell adapter that you will use for all the different holsters. I'm going to show you guys around every side of the shell, and in future videos I'll show you guys how to put all the holsters together and go more in depth with everything. This video is basically just to show you guys what you get with the starter kit and showing off all the pieces. The next piece in the same slot is the trigger guard that you'll attach when carrying IWB or the Pendeks carry holster. This piece right here is a thumb release that you can either mount to the holster or not even use it at all. And the next part to the system is the OWB paddle holster. This side has the Alien Gear logo and is the side that will go inside your pants, and the opposite side is where you can mount the holster and has a release button when you want to pull it off and transfer it to a different mount. These 2 pieces are the clips for the appendix holster. The clip on the left is for smaller guns like my Glock 42, and the clip on the right is made for larger guns. So it's cool that they offer both sizes in the starter kit. The next OWB holster option is the OWB slide, and these are the pieces that you will use for that. So you have a total of 2 OWB options with this system, the slide and the paddle holster. Over here in the left side of the box you get some holster mount hardware if you want to put your extra holster mount on a wall. Or you can mount it inside your car or under a desk, and it comes with all the provided hardware to do that. I really like how they designed the box. Every cutout has the product, and then underneath it, it tells you what the piece is. I really like this holster. I think it's one of the best ones out on the market, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll make some more videos about this holster, and I'll put a link to Alien Gear's website in the description. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll talk to you next time.